In this video, I'll show you how to validate an order in Go using the FraudLabs Pro Go SDK. First, let's go to the FraudLabs Pro Resources page. Search for Go SDK and select this article. Scroll down to the Install SDK section and copy the command. Then, open your command prompt. Paste the command under your Go project folder. Go back to the article. Copy the sample code on how to validate an order. Go to your Go project folder and open the main.go file. Paste the code here. You will need a FraudLabs Pro API key to perform the validation. Go to fraudlabspro.com. If you do not have an API key, you can sign up for one here. Let's log in to your FraudLabs Pro merchant area. Copy your API key. Paste your API key here. This is an example IP address. You can change it if you want to test with another IP address. These are sample billing and shipping info. You can edit them if you want. Once done, save the file. Go to the command prompt. Run the Go file. This is the validation result. You'll see IP geolocation details such as city, continent, and country. By reviewing the FraudLabs Pro score and status, you will know whether the order is high risk or not. That's it. You've just learned how to validate an order using the FraudLabs Pro Go SDK. For more details, visit fraudlabspro.com.